Know that this has been the longest wait for all Prabhas fans, not just because of how many years ago Saho released, but technically Saho didn't work. So it's actually since Bahubali 2 that people are waiting for this mega Prabhas film, and he has films lined up, but pandemic happened, this happened, that happened. So much is going on, but finally, few weeks away from this particular big budget romantic drama, Radhe Shyam, Pooja Hegde as well in it. Let's just go and check out this trailer. Finally, it is time to check out this huge trailer, and then we shall speak more about it, my friends. So let's go check out the trailer. Here we go with Radhe Shyam.
सुन, अगली बार माँ पूछेगी तो कह देना मेरी किस्मत में प्यार शादी दोनों नहीं है.
Romantic.
I love you, Aditya.
Look at that cinematography.
I just want flirtationship.
Flirtationship, that's a new word, huh?
अपने आप को रोमियो समझते हो?
नहीं, I don't fall in love. ये प्यार व्यार मुझसे नहीं होगा.
लेकिन मैं जूलियट हूँ. मुझसे प्यार करोगे तो जरूर मरोगे.
अभी तक कितने केसेस हुए हैं?
97.
ओफो, 97 में ही आउट हो गए.
आखिर कौन है ये गुड लुकिंग बैड फेलो?
Good looking bad fellow.
The great Vikramaditya. I call him the Einstein of palmistry.
Katappa.
कहते हैं इन्हें समय से आगे दिखता है.
जॉन लेनन ने तुम्हारा ऑटोग्राफ लिया?
यहाँ एक ज्योतिषी है जिसे विश्व के सारे महान नेता मिलना चाहते हैं.
शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक क्या होगा सब पढ़ लिया मैंने.
तुमने सारी दुनिया को पढ़ लिया है. अब देखना है मुझे कितना पढ़ सकते हो.
पर हाथों की लकीरों में तारों को सजा हुआ पहली बार.
There's a lot of VFX in this movie.
जब से तुम्हें मिलने लगी हूँ, हर मिरेकल को मानती हूँ.
You're in love, प्रेरणा.
This entire movie was made in a green screen, I think.
प्यार तुम्हें ढूंढ लेगा, लेकिन उस प्यार को पाने के लिए तुम्हें उसी प्यार से लड़ना पड़ेगा.
क्या मतलब? Oh. What is going on? Bolt is flying all over the place.
क्या प्यार किस्मत से लड़कर जीत सकता है? क्या हमारी किस्मत ने ही इतने बड़े भूकंप को जन्म दिया है? जो प्यार जिंदगी दे सकता है, क्या वही प्यार जिंदगी ले भी सकता है?
A lot of riddles there.
I love you. I love you.
राधे श्याम 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 श्याम.
Here is what is absolutely mind-blowing about this trailer is that even though it is 3 minutes long, they have not revealed what exactly the story is. And that is very, very difficult to do in such a long trailer. And most trailers that you watch, you know the story and what's going to happen. Over here, they've kept that mystery going. You get that it's a love story, but then it's not a love story. He's hesitant, reluctant, but then there's something going on. He's a palm reader. He can see the future. And then he has all these questions and riddles going on about existential crisis and life, and whether you can be with your loved one or not, whether you can fight your loved one, whether you can, I don't know, create natural disasters because of love. He says so many different things that it just keeps that mystery going on what this film is actually about. So based on the trailer, all we know is definitely a large scale romantic drama that has its ups and downs in the love story, and you get thrown in various other factors such as his palm reading skills and what happens there with other powerful people, natural disasters, maybe things that are going on to either unite them or separate them, or that sort of tussle. So very big movie there. We can see that there's VFX in almost every scene. Every scene seems to be shot in front of a green screen, and most of it works because they're trying to create this dreamy atmosphere. And therefore, in some of the scenes, such as the boat scene, which obviously looks like it's VFX and does not look that natural as many of the other scenes in the movie, it still works because they're trying to create this dreamy love story that is larger than life, that is just extremely in a very vibrant state. So it still works in a very intentional manner. They have done that, is very clear, and that is the genius of it, because you have to make your VFX work for the story, not just throw in VFX and always make it look perfectly realistic or anything like that. It has to work with the story, and this is clearly a sort of a fantasy drama love story kind of a movie, and it definitely works on the cinematography, VFX, technical front. It works on what I think the story is going to be very elaborate and entertaining for people to watch. Now, I watched the Hindi trailer, and Prabhas's dialogue delivery is a little more straightforward in this film. It's not that emotional, it's not that, you know, angry, it's not that sad. It is that one particular tone to it throughout the trailer, if you notice. And I'm very curious to see if there is a reason for that when we watch the movie. If there is a reason that he is, you know, as we have kind of seen, little staying away from emotion, because that again will be a genius move to talk like that. So lots of questions from me to watch this movie and see what it's all about. It just created that curiosity. We're all obviously going to watch it. We're all waiting for it, and I really hope it works for all the effort they have put in and the expectations the audience has from this Prabhas starrer. That was my reaction to Radhe Shyam. Like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Keep watching for much more.